This 2018 Keystone Springdale 253 FWRE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Georgetown, Kentucky, 40324 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lexington. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.